Hello, my name is Shani, and in this lesson, you are going to learn how to say vegetable names in Sinhala. The word for vegetables is elavalu, elavalu, but we often say elolu, elolu. And the singular word for one vegetable is elavalua, elavalua. Before we continue, just reminding you that the PDF document for this lesson, practice quizzes, worksheets, and more Sinhala lessons will be uploaded to my website, lingocrown.com, and more Sinhala resources will be there soon. Okay, let's start. Now, the most important vegetable in Sri Lanka is pol, pol, coconut. And also we have kos. Kos is jackfruit. Kos is also an important vegetable in Sri Lanka. There are different stages of the jackfruit tree, and different stages are called different names, such as Pahi, Polos, Kos, Varaka, etc. Next, we have another common vegetable here, that is Vattaka. Vattaka is pumpkin. Vattaka. And bonchi is green beans. Bonchi. Takkali or takkali is tomato. Takkali. Ala, or sometimes we call it artapal. Ala or artapal is potatoes. Vambatu is eggplant. Vambatu. Vambatu is eggplant. The word eggplant is called different names in different parts of the world. Some people call it aubergine and some people call it eggplant. But in Sri Lanka, people also call it brinjal. That's not a Sinhala name, but the English word Sri Lankan people use. So if you hear the word brinjal, and if you're not familiar with that English word, just know they are talking about eggplant or aubergine or whatever your country calls it. And the next one is bandaka. Bandaka is okra, or as some people call ladies' fingers. Bandaka. Next we have patola. Patola is snake gourd. Snake gourd. Patola. And karavila is the bitter one, the bitter gourd. Karavila, bitter gourd. And we also have a kind of a similar one, which is pipinya. Pipinya, cucumber. Pipinya. And the next one is rabu, radish, rabu. And next we have gova. Gova is cabbage. Gova. And the cauliflower is goa mal. Goa mal. And we have hatu, mushroom, hatu. And we have this thing called alu kesel. The English word is ash plantain. This looks like banana, but it's more green and ash color. That is alu kesel. Next we have battala. Battala, sweet potatoes. Battala. And we have another similar one to battala, manioka. Manioka. The English word can be maniok or cassava, as some people call it, but it's type of a root vegetable similar to battala, and it's bigger than that. And let's learn these two words as well. Lunu and lunu. Lunu with a long lu is onions. So don't get it confused with lunu with a short lu, which means salt. Lunu is onions. Lunu, salt. Lunu and lunu. And also, there are some vegetable names the name we use is the same as the English word, but we mostly pronounce them with a more Sinhala accent. Like for an example, this is carrot, carrot, and this is beet, beet, and this is leeks, leeks. So that's all for this lesson. Now, can you answer this question? ඔයා කැමතිම ලංකාවේ එළවලු මොනාද? ඔයා කැමතිම ලංකාවේ එළවලු මොනාද? What are your favorite Sri Lankan vegetables? Type your answer in the comment section. If you have any questions or requests about Sinhala language or about Sri Lankan food, let me know in the comment section. If you'd like to join a structured Sinhala class to learn Sinhala fast and efficiently, contact me through lingocrown@gmail.com or through info@lingocrown.com. එහෙනම් ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye.